Jury selection set in death penalty case of Illinois man charged with murdering Chinese scholar. June 3, Reuters jury selection is set to start on Monday for the trial of an Illinois man charged with kidnapping and murdering a visiting Chinese scholar 2 years ago, in a case where federal prosecutors say they intend to seek the death penalty. Brent Christensen, 29, has been held without bond since his arrest in June 2017 for the abduction and presumed slaying of University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign student Yingying Zhang, 26, whose body has not been found. Christensen, a one-time master's student at the university, has been charged with murder, kidnapping and lying to federal investigators. He has pleaded not. Jury selection is scheduled to start Monday in U.S. District Court in Peoria, Illinois, and is expected to take a week. Zhang came from southeastern China to study photosynthesis and crop production at the university 2 months before she was reported missing on June 9, 2017. A professor and investigators were led to Christensen after surveillance cameras in Urbana recorded Zhang getting into a black car, which authorities later traced to him, according to an arrest warrant affidavit filed with the court by an FBI agent. Under questioning by investigators, Christensen admitted giving Zhang a ride, but said he dropped her off in a residential area a few blocks from where he picked her up. Detectives said an examination of Christensen's cell phone showed he had searched the internet for topics such as abduction. In court filings outlining their reasons for seeking the death penalty, prosecutors said Christensen met several of the legal criteria for capital punishment, including murder during the commission of another crime, premeditation, and the crime being heinous. Prosecutors also cited non-faith. Reporting by Keith Kaufman in Denver. Editing by Diane.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.